Hi again. So yeah, ये पता नहीं कुछ हो जाता है. Something goes wrong. Something goes wrong, and then something happens. Then the color changes, and social media is unpredictable. So ये अच्छी बात है कि हमको दो अलग अलग वीडियोस मिलेंगे. Because people have requested me to post my videos on IGTV, which I don't. But now I can post two different parts of my live sessions. So one I have posted, and one is this one, which I will post. So yes, और आप बताइए, आप लोगों को और कुछ पूछना है? Hi everybody. Hello. श्रेया दीदी तो नहीं है अभी. श्रेया दीदी आई थिंक शी इज बिजी. माई फेवरेट ऑफिसर. आपका सबके कमेंट्स पे देख लेती हूँ पहले. मैम प्लीज एंड मी, आई वॉन्ट टू डू अ वीडियो चैट. एक तो आई एम डूइंग अ वीडियो चैट विच इज़ अ रेयर थिंग. What will be the name of the show? That I don't know. CID में कौन कौन है? CID 2 में कौन कौन है? मोस्टली सारे लोग हैं. अभी वो भी मुझे पता नहीं है एक्चुअली. आई कांट इवन कॉमेंट ऑन दैट. आपका ब्यूटी का सीक्रेट, मेरा ब्यूटी का सीक्रेट है कि मैं okay, I always concentrate, I always focus on my night care routine, which I've been doing since ages. I've been taking care of my skin, especially at night, because I have a dry skin. इसलिए तो आप एक अच्छा मॉइस्चराइज़र या अच्छी से नाइट क्रीम पे इन्वेस्ट करें, वो हमेशा आपके काम आएगा. थैंक यू तुषार. सो आई एम श्योर आप लोग CID 2 का वेट कर रहे हैं, और आई एम श्योर आप लोग CID 2 उतने ही प्यार से देखेंगे जितना आपने CID देखा है. पर हम अभी इस बारे में कुछ बोल नहीं सकते, बिकॉज ये शो ही 21 में आएगा. तो कब आएगा, इसमें कौन कौन है, इसके बारे में भी मुझे कोई जानकारी नहीं है. बट या जब भी आएगा, इट विल बी अ वेरी डिफरेंट शो ऑन वेरी डिफरेंट प्लेटफॉर्म. तो आप लोग प्लीज़ उम्मीद ना हारें और पॉजिटिव रहें. हाय अमृत. वर्कआउट इज़ इंस्पायरिंग मी. थैंक यू सो मच. थैंक यू. जैसे कि मैंने बोला, मुझे कास्ट के बारे में बिल्कुल कुछ पता नहीं है कि इसमें कौन कौन है, तो फिर पता ही नहीं है. ओके, सो आप लोगों को मैं दिवाली की शुभकामनाएं देती हूँ. हैप्पी दिवाली एंड हैव अ वंडरफुल सेफ दिवाली. दिस टाइम यू हैव टू बी एक्स्ट्रा सेफ. डू नॉट burst a lot of crackers. Have a lot of sweets, and yes, wear your mask. Sanitize your hands, wash your hands regularly, take care of yourself, your family. Happy Diwali to all of you. I'll see you very very soon. Bye bye. Perfect. That is why I'm never live, because something or the other goes wrong. Hi. So yeah, मैं गई नहीं वापस. I am back again. Karan, what did you write? I couldn't read it. Hi everyone. Something went wrong. I don't know, this filter, the new thing has come up. You add a lot of filters, and then suddenly there is a new filter, and then suddenly the filter goes, and you know, that is why I never click pictures with filters. That is why I keep it very real and natural, and I am not going anywhere right now. Okay, right now I'm here for like 5-10 minutes. Then I have to go and. So as we all celebrate Diwali with a lot of sweets, I like making my own, whole the Diwali sweet thing. The whole thing goes on. It starts so it's starting today. I'm starting to make laddus because I like making laddus and modaks and these little things. It keeps me very happy. So I will also upload a small video how do I make besan laddus, which is my favorite and which I give to all my friends, most of my friends. And then hi Pulkit. अरे उसमें भी अच्छा लग रही थी आप. नहीं अच्छी नहीं लग रही थी. I was looking like an alien. वो वाले attachment. I don't know what attachment just started. So yeah, so I will be here for a while and then I have to go and start doing all that. तो आप लोग भी अपने घर में प्लीज़ जाइए और स्वीट डिशेज जो आपको आती है, अगर शीरा भी आता है तो कोई बात नहीं, जो आपको आज नहीं बनाना है वो तो आप उसी दिन बना सकते हैं, बट ये लड्डूज और ये सब जो होते हैं वो आप पहले से बना के रखते हैं. Will the name be the same? Okay, no, the name will not be the same. No, it will not be called CID. Hi. Please tell my name. I am. Who's this? Please tell my name. Please say my name. Meg Pawar. Hi Meg Pawar. Hi Sanya. Congratulations Sanya. So Sanya was working with us on CID. She was the ACS, Associate Creative Head, and a lovely girl. So she is engaged and I'm wishing her all the very best for her future. Hamisha love for Mumbai in my heart. Thank you, Karan. So please tell my name. Rahul. Hi Rahul. CID season 2 नहीं आएगा क्या मैम? Of course आएगा. CID कब वापस आएगा? 21 में ही आएगा. अब तो 2020 खत्म हो गया है. आप लोग अभी दिवाली सेलिब्रेट करें. CID बहुत जल्दी आएगा. Please say my name. सिमरन. Hi सिमरन. ID my name. Prathi school name. Okay. ये मैसेजेस ना बहुत जल्दी स्क्रॉल हो जाते हैं. Okay, how are you? I am good. Ma'am, you live in Mumbai? Yes, I live in Mumbai. Okay. Please come to Surat. Oh yeah, definitely. Shooting होगी तो आएंगे ना हम. वैसे भी I like Surat. I like Gujarat, the way it is developed. I really like it. अरे बाबा. Karan, please take my name. Sonam. Yes, Sonam. Hi. I'm sure you're happy now. I've taken your name. I mean, your name is. I had to read everything, है ना? The fitness tips. ऐसे tips कैसे दे सकते हैं fitness के बारे में? Fitness is something you have to follow. You have to write it down every day. Change yourself according to it. है ना? Be consistent. राजस्थान में तो शूट हो चुका है, बट ऑफकोर्स हम आएंगे राजस्थान. राजकोट जी. प्लीज टेक माई नेम. ध्रुव विला. हाय ध्रुव. प्लीज से माई नेम ऑल्सो. अंश पटेल. ओके. अपलोड योर feet video. Why do you want to see my feet? Okay. आज गुजरात में what was that? Please take my name. Okay. So yes, my name झरना. Hi झरना. अगर मैं किसी का नाम नहीं ले पा रही हूँ ना तो प्लीज़ आप लोग ये मैं सोच रही कि मैं नहीं लेना चाहती. जो मुझे दिखता जा रहा है मैं लेती जा रही हूँ नाम. और इसके बाद भी आई विल गो थ्रू द कमेंट्स एंड आई विल डेफिनेटली ट्राई टू रिप्लाई. You know, my friends are all there, I think, especially Karan is there. वैसे तो कभी फोन नहीं करेगा, and right now he is online. But yeah, I have beautiful friends, and I can today the way I am, it's because of my company. They say ना, आपके जो आसपास के जो 5 लोग होते हैं, 5 लोग, 5 ही, उनके हिसाब से आपकी पर्सनालिटी डेवलप होती है ना. तो my friends are amazing friends. So first of all, I've been shooting with seniors in my show, so I've also become a little different from what others are, like a little more matured. And then I have friends who are mature. So you know, something very stupid or something, I avoid doing something very stupid. I avoid getting into a situation where I don't want to be in. So yeah, because of my friends. Hi Vishwas, I'm sure you're happy now. Daya sir join karuna didi. Daya sir, Aditya sir, they are not on Instagram. That is yeah. मैं सोच रही हूँ उनके नाम का मैं ही एक अकाउंट खोल लूँ दोनों के नाम का, और दोनों को बोल दूँ सर ये आपका अकाउंट है, ये आपका अकाउंट है, ये आपके पासवर्ड्स हैं. पर ऐसा है नहीं. I will try to convince them to come on Insta, and you know, or else I can open a handle for them and give it to them and like, sir ये please आपके अकाउंट से आप प्लीज़ देखिए और इसे डील कीजिए, ये है. बस I think that is what to be done, and whenever I meet Aditya sir or Daya sir, I will definitely do it. So whenever we are going for a pre-production meeting or something like a look test or something, if I meet them, I will open an account on their mobiles and will give it to them. Daya sir break doors in his house. No, Daya sir does not break doors. Man, Janvi ma'am को बोलो ना live आने. Okay, I don't know whether Janvi is online. सर को join करो live. नहीं, अभिजीत सर तो है ही नहीं Instagram पे, मैं कैसे join करूँ? Okay, madam, hi बोलो ना please. Hi Sandeep Kumar. Take my name. Abhishek, hi. So yes, I'm sure I've answered most of your questions. Or what's your present work? वो मैंने बता दिया कि what I'm doing right now. Please जानवी दी को join करो. Okay, let me try whether I can request her to come on live. One second. No, I didn't see her. Again. Who's your favorite actor? Janvi is not online. No, she's not online. I don't think so. Yeah. कोई बात नहीं. जानवी जी से तो आपने कल बात करी थी, कल परसों करवा चौथ पे बुलाई थी. क्या शी was the she is a pretty girl and with a very good heart. I was very very compatible. इतना शायद ही एक दो लड़कियां कभी compatible होती हैं. I was so comfortable. So whenever, when she left the show and when I did outdoors on my own alone, I was missing her so much. तो गई क्यों? हाँ, this is better. Ridhima, hi Ridhima. My name is Twinkle. Hi Twinkle. So yeah, so me, Janvi, Shraddha, we share a very very special. Hi, your motivation for workout. My motivation for workout, there is no. I don't know what is the motivation. I think that is inbuilt. I know not all of them have this. Sometimes even I feel lazy, but very rarely I feel that okay, I don't want to work out, I don't want to do cardio. Especially weight training sessions, I never feel that. This is weird. I never feel that I do not want to go for a weight training. I might be lazy on a cardio day, but weight training because of my trainer, I think he's made it so easier for me. I've fallen in love with this. Please say my name, Yashika. Hi, Yashika. So it is all because of him that he makes it so good. He makes it so effortless. Weight training is like, oh, yaar, lift karna hai, weight train karna hai. I don't feel that. It's not only me. ऐसा लगता है कि नहीं, I'm an actor and I want to keep fit and I want to look good and I want to follow a diet, and it is not about me. So my friend Amigami, I'm sure you guys know her. She is my workout friend. She is my travel partner also. We have traveled together once, but then I want her to travel with me more. So we meet every alternate day because we gym together. We go to the gym together. She also doesn't miss a workout. Okay, I can be very conscious of myself, but she also doesn't miss a workout because he is made this, especially my trainer. My trainer, he's made this so adorable weight training. So yeah, I don't know. He could be the motivation. He is the motivation actually. Oh, my brother, he's also online. So these days, kids are online, and I'm sure they are going through a lot of. The wonderful, the beautiful thing about lockdown is, of course, we transformed ourselves. We came to the value of staying home and spending time, and all that happened. All of us have been complaining about not going out, about not meeting friends, about not going to a restaurant, about not clubbing, about not doing this, that, shopping. Kids haven't. This is something which we have to learn. They haven't said anything. Every morning they log in. Every morning they attend the class. Then they go for their coaching classes, of course, online. And they haven't complained. We are at home and what is this? We want to play. We want to go to the school. I haven't heard of a kid complaining. So he doesn't complain. That is the most beautiful thing about kids, you know. सारी प्रॉब्लम हम ही को होती है, बच्चों को मतलब या so much to learn. Thank you. Oh, my smile, I give the credit to the character. Same has CID. It's a good question. Character, we are all doing a crime show. Of course, names will be different again.